Hi, Andrew here with the plan of the week. Happy holidays to those who are celebrating Christmas on Thursday and the beginning of Kwanzaa on Friday. This week's featured course is Learning the Language of Business. In this course, you'll learn simple bookkeeping and accounting terms to help you understand your numbers, think about risk, and talk about your business more clearly. Salima Scott, owner of Urban Glow, is our featured small business member of the week. Explore the links below to discover more about her and her business. I invite you to check out our live stream tomorrow evening. I'll be talking with Jeffrey Magee about Changeformational Theory, how to win in tomorrow's market space. Last week, I spoke with KJ Blattenbauer about being pitch worthy, leveraging PR without breaking the bank. Check out the video highlights below. Also, you don't want to miss our new podcast on Thursday morning with Nikki Barua on why passion won't pay your bills in the age of AI. While there are no additional events this week, take some time to celebrate the holidays by slowing down, exchanging gifts, and sharing warmth, food, and laughter with family and friends. Get more details on these events below in the POW, and check out our website events calendar page for more details about upcoming events.